I'm Katrina Lewis. I'm the General Manager of the Royal Hamilton Yacht Club. And welcome to our pool. Our biggest concern was the timing. When will the project be completed? As you know, the boating season is the summer season, and that's when we needed to build as well. But it all worked out perfectly. We chose Senso Design because of the communication that we received from them. They're detailed, pricing, and they just held our hand through the whole project. What we loved about working with Senso Design was that they were on site every day. We didn't have to ever ask, where are you? They were always here. And Alexi, he was the supervisor, and he was here most days, explaining the next steps, making sure that we were aware of what was happening. And the design was perfect for us. Do I recommend Senso Design? Yes, I do.